Hello guys, good morning. Now we are going to repair this Copil 1.5 HP inverter AC. The error of this, the fan motor and compressor are not working, and then it has no error code appearing even you uh, switch this on very long. There is no error code appeared. Now we're going to troubleshoot what's the problem of this so that we can define where is the defective parts is not is malfunctioning. Okay guys, we'll troubleshoot this one. So guys, after we check and troubleshooted this one, we found out that the 3.3 voltage reference regulator also defective, and as well as the IPM. We replaced this one because when I received this one, this IGBT transistor are burnt, and also this current sensing resistor is burned. Now I have no available this small 3.3 voltage regulator. That's why I use a big one. So this is the problem. This is a current sensing resistor, IPM, and also this IGBT transistor to turn on this reactor. Now we will wait until it is turning on the fan motor and also the compressor. But the owner of the technician of this Aircontech, he did not bring the outdoor fan motor. That's why I use only bulbs so that it works. This is the bulb I use. We'll wait until this fan motor and compressor are turning on. So now guys, fan motor, this light is turning on, and as well as the compressor. We will test this for several minutes so that we can confirm that it is working very fine. This is the compressor. Now the compressor is running faster. So guys, thank you very much for watching this video. If you like, click like, and then don't forget to subscribe. Thank you very much. Until the next video.